Okay guys, this assignment is pretty much review of everything we've been doing. I'm just going to work a couple to get you going. Pretty much every bit of this is something you can do without me even explaining. As you can see, 1 through 6 is just regular distributive property. 7 through 12, you don't even have to do the distributive property. You just combine like terms. 13, 14, and 15 is a little more complicated, where you'll have to do distributive property twice, or at least twice, and then combine like terms. I can work one of those for you. I'll just pick 13. 5 times m is going to give us 5m. 5 times 6 is going to give us 30. 2 times 3m is 6m. And that's 2 times negative 9 would be minus 18. Combine like terms. 5m and 6m are like terms, so that'll be 11m. And then 30, and what's in front of that 18? A minus. So that means instead of adding, you're going to subtract 30 minus 18, and that will be 12. Pretty simple. Okay, and that's what you'll do on 14 and 15. And then 16 and 17, it says write an expression for the perimeter. Well, you remember from elementary school, guys, that perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So you're just going to add all the sides together with each figure and combine like terms to get a simplified expression. Okay, now I want to go to the second sheet. Okay, 1 through 8, just simple distributive property. 9 through 12, it's still simple, it's just adding a little more to it. For instance, let's look at number 11. We have this -3 out front. It's not being multiplied to anything. It's just something you're going to have to combine once you're multiplying. Because remember, order of operations, you got to multiply and do the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses first. So we're going to distribute this. And what's in front of that 7? A negative. So when you multiply, you got to say -7 times. I'm going to bring down the -3 because we can't do anything with it yet. All right, that's -7 times -3. That is positive 21. So plus 21. If you had gotten a -21, you'd put a minus 21. And then -7 times -6v. That's going to give me positive 42v. So plus 42v. Now you're not done. You need to combine like terms. Well, you can combine the -3 plus the 21. And that will give me 18 plus the 42v. And that would be my final answer. 13 through 18, you're going to do distributive property twice, like what we did on the first sheet, and then combine like terms. And same for 19 through 22. They're just a little more challenging because of the signs and things, but still, you can handle it. You're seniors. Okay, let me know if you need me.